Arabic Alphabet Part 1, Lesson number 6. Recapping 28 letters that we have learned so far. This is the last and the end of the Part 1. So from now on, we're going to recap all the letters that we have learned so far. In lesson number 6, we are recapping all the 28 letters that we have learned so far. And here they are. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Qa, Dal, Dal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Swad, Bad, Wa, Dha, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Nun, Waw, Ha, Lam Alif, Hamza, Ya. Now we have come to the end of the part 1. We are now going to be moving into part 2, where we're going to be now learning more of all the elements that we need in the speech. We'll be introducing vowels and other elements going forward. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this part. And please don't forget to subscribe. Wassalamu alaikum.